Starting to invest can be an exciting but daunting endeavor, especially for beginners. Here's a step-by-step guide to help you get started. Set clear goals. Determine your financial goals. Are you investing for retirement, buying a house, or saving for your child's education? Knowing your goals will shape your investment strategy. Educate yourself. Take the time to learn about different investment options, such as stocks, bonds, mutual funds, ETFs, exchange-traded funds, real estate, and more. Understand the risks and potential returns associated with each. Assess your risk tolerance. Consider how much risk you're willing to take with your investments. Generally, younger investors can afford to take more risk because they have more time to recover from any losses. Build an emergency fund. Before you start investing, make sure you have an emergency fund with enough money to cover at least 3 to 6 months' worth of living expenses. This fund will provide a safety net in case of unexpected expenses or a loss of income. Pay off high-interest debt. Prioritize paying off any high-interest debt, such as credit card debt, before you start investing. The interest you pay on debt can often outweigh the returns you earn from investments. Open an investment account. Choose a brokerage firm or investment platform to open an investment account. Look for low fees, a user-friendly interface, and access to the types of investments you're interested in. Start with retirement accounts. If your employer offers a retirement savings plan, such as a 401k or IRA, individual retirement account, consider starting there. These accounts offer tax advantages and can be a great way to save for retirement. Diversify your investments. Spread your investments across different asset classes, stocks, bonds, real estate, etc., and within each asset class to reduce risk. Diversification can help protect your portfolio from market downturns. Invest regularly. Set up automatic contributions to your investment accounts to make investing a habit. Investing regularly, even small amounts, can help you take advantage of dollar-cost averaging and smooth out market fluctuations. Monitor and rebalance your portfolio. Periodically review your investment portfolio to make sure it still aligns with your goals and risk tolerance. Rebalance your portfolio as needed to maintain your desired asset allocation. Stay informed. Stay up to date on market trends, economic news, and changes in the investment landscape. However, avoid making knee-jerk reactions to short-term market fluctuations. Seek professional advice if needed. If you're unsure about where to start or how to manage your investments, consider seeking advice from a financial advisor. They can help you develop a personalized investment strategy based on your goals and risk tolerance. Remember, investing is a long-term endeavor, and patience and discipline are key. Start small, stay diversified, and focus on the long-term growth of your investments.